Cantilevered floors need continuous thermal and air barriers to prevent heat loss and condensation. For cantilever insulation, the thumb rule is to treat the cantilever as part of the conditioned envelope and insulate and air seal the cavity continuously from the floor above to the exterior sheathing. Use closed-cell spray foam applied to the inside of the cantilever cavity where it bonds to framing to provide both insulation and an effective air and vapor barrier in one step. Apply at a thickness that meets your local thermal resistance goal and keep the foam off untreated wood where chemical compatibility with termite treatments is a concern. If spray foam is not an option, wrap the cantilever with rigid foam sheathing on the exterior face, extending under the floor line, and seal all joints with compatible tape and sealant to maintain continuity. Fasten mechanical connections through the foam and flash penetrations to prevent thermal bridging. Extend the insulation plane into adjacent interior partitions by filling the partition cavity or by installing a continuous insulated jamb so the cantilever does not create a cold pocket at the wall intersection. Control moisture by providing a drained exterior detail if water can reach the underside and by ensuring that any vapor control strategy is appropriate for your climate zone. In cold climates, prioritize interior vapor control, and in warm, humid climates, prioritize exterior drying. Check termite treatment compatibility by selecting materials that can be inspected or by using a physical termite barrier where required, and always follow local code for crawl space and foundation transitions. Common mistakes include stopping insulation at the stud face and leaving a thermal bridge, which creates a cold spot where condensation and mold can form. Solve this by continuing the insulation plane across the cantilever with exterior rigid foam or spray foam to eliminate the bridge. A second issue is poor air sealing at the cantilever rim and around fasteners, which allows warm, moist air to hit cold structure. Fix that by sealing all seams and penetrations with sealant or tape and by using spray foam at tricky joints for a monolithic seal. Third, using incompatible materials that trap moisture or interfere with termite treatment leads to rot or failed inspections. Avoid this by selecting compatible foam products, allowing for drying to the exterior or interior as appropriate for your climate, and incorporating inspection gaps or removable panels where termite treatments are applied. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like cantilever insulation upgrades. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share installation experiences, product notes, and practical tips so both homeowners and contractors can learn from each other.